A very good morning, dear friends. Once again, I welcome you all in the channel Zero to Infinity. This is the journey with Praful Dabi. This is our legal disclaimer. Thanks, friends, for your kind affection and the suggestions. Hope you have read legal disclaimer and enjoyed the episodes number 1, 2, 3 and 4 of the Corona series, and also working on its free of cost yet very powerful logical techniques for your own benefits. This is the present condition of the world. Nearly 17.39 million persons are infected from the COVID and the COVID-19, and nearly 6.75 lakh persons have been died due to the corona. The condition is really very pathetic, and it is increasing day by day. We have to take care of it as much as possible. These are the techniques which we have discussed in the episode number 1, 2, 3 and 4. In nutshell, technique 1 was do the Ujjayi breathing or the oceanic breathing or the victorious breathing. This will be helpful in using of the available energy. And what is the meaning of the energy? The energy is equivalent to chi energy of the Chainam and the body electricity, which is taking care of our whole body functions. Technique 2 was to generate the electrical energy or the body electricity through the Bhastrika breathing. There are many and many techniques are there by which we can generate the energy. This is one of the technique, and if you are really eager to learn about it, then kindly learn how to generate the chi energy. You will find enough material in the website and the YouTube. Technique 3 is do the Indian yogic technique Anulom Vilom breathing or the alternate nostril breathing. This will be helpful in the stabilization and the digestion of the energy. Technique 4 was use the traditional vegetarian food or the herbs to get multifold effect of that particular herb or food. Technique 5 was concentrate the limited generated energy on the breathing circuit only, because the corona, the COVID-19 is related with the breathing circuit only. The sub-technique 6 was when you are at the peak of the energy and the full of the vibrations, then once again start the Anulom Vilom breathing or the alternate nostril breathing. This will helpful in concentration of your precious energy to the breathing circuit only. And the sub-technique 7 was use the Mula Bandha or the root lock with the energetic or the vibrative stage of the body. It will be helpful in the prevention of the energy wastage in the lower part of the body, because as we are saying again and again that the COVID is related with our breathing circuit. That's why we have to concentrate our precious energy on the breathing circuit only. If still miles to go to fight with the COVID-19, and we are hoping that we will conquer this COVID-19. Now, dear friends, we will see our next of the techniques. We have learn about the technique K technique, that was the karma technique, G techniques which were jnana technique, the B technique it will be the bhakti technique. I want to concentrate on about one point. If you have learned about the chemistry, then what is the symbol of the chemistry? That is the Na or the natrium. Natrium has been taken from the Latin language, and what is the meaning of the Au or the aurum? This means the gold. This is also taken from the Latin language. Why we have taken from the Latin language? Because the science was origined, the Western science is origin from the Latin. That's why all the symbols like the natrium, like the aurum has been used, and the whole of the world is using like that only. That's why I can say that although whole of the world is very pioneer in many of the techniques, all have very wonderful techniques, but still some things we have to learn from the Indian ancient religion. That's why we will use some of the words like the karma, the jnana, but I will do my the best so that I can able to explain you in the totality. That's why we will use the karma same as it is. the technique of the karma. What is the meaning of the karma? The things which can be done. Okay, the technique 1, 2, 3, 6 and the 7. These were the technique on which you are able to do something. You are able to do something. That were the karma. Jnana, things which you can feel. The feeling is beyond the doing. And the technique 5, what I have told, concentrate on the breathing circuit. Then you do not have to do anything. You just have to feel the energy, and that is called as a jnana. And the bhakti, this is our next technique. This is the devotion or the surrender to any of the deity, any of the Gurudev. This is the technique number 8. This is the king of all techniques, the bhakti, devotion or the surrender to the true spiritual religious leaders, divine deity, God, Goddess, Allah, Supreme Soul, to fight with the COVID-19 or the Corona. This works with all the world religions. Again repeating, these tricks are working with all the human bodies and works with the all world religions. More your devotion or the surrender is, more will be the vibrations, energy, body electricity or the chi energy and the beyond energy. We will discuss the beyond energy concept afterwards, because in this world there are the things which are beyond energy also. And the effect will happen if you believe it. Repeating, effect will happen if you believe it. Doing it with some technique, thinking it, the part of our brain think about it, and the brain do not have any kind of the doing in the corona, because by mere thinking you are not able to conquer the corona. And feeling it, that was the technique number 5. But if you are 100% believing in your deity, God, Goddess, Allah, Supreme Soul, then certainly you are able to get the vibrations, get the spiritual energy. That is also the same nature of the body electricity or the chi energy. And as we know that there are the infinity stories in every of the religion. Like Jesus Christ has healed many persons, like the blind, deaf, and similar stories are there in all the religions of the world. This technique will work for all the religions, any religions of the world. There are the many religions, but there is a single and one spirituality. And we can proudly say that who treat other animals in the nature. Only the humans have built the hospitals for themselves. If our belief is there, then we can firmly say to our God, our deity, our Guru, our religious leader, that if you are my protector, then why to worry at all? One human body, one human brain and the one soul, all have the very similar nature, and we have to use the general principle of the spirituality to heal with the corona. And the K and G, the karma and the jnana, need the human body by doing it, by feeling it. That's why these are the universal. And the B or the bhakti, no boundary at all. Even the animal can do the surrender and the devotion. Hence it is a cosmic. We can see all the world religions. None of the world religion is beyond it. Concepts, the purest pure vibration in the environment, place or the spiritual leader, all have the same chi energy or the body electricity or the vibration which we are saying, and we can feel the vibrations in holy environment, holy places or by the spiritual leaders. And in complete world there is no place there in no country is there in which we cannot able to find the holy places, like Kenoto, Sagrado of the Mexico, Mahabodhi tree for Buddhism in the India, the Mount Kailash in the Tibet, Gyanganj or the Shambhala of the ancient invisible world. Yes, there are the world which are invisible, yet these are existing. Mount Sinai of the Egypt, Great Lake of the Oregon, USA, Mount Pyrenees of the Greece, Lake Atlantis from the Guatemala, Jerusalem of the Israel, Mecca, Medina from the Saudi Arabia, Vatican City in the Europe, Uluru from the Australia, Golden Temple in the Amritsar, India. These are the holy places which are able to provide you good quality of the vibration and the positive energy, which we are calling as a chi energy or the body electricity. This technique is based on our more emotions, yet without compromise their logic. There are some kind of the logics. After that, there are the emotions. After that, some things are there, some layer of the humans are there which are beyond the emotions. We are not compromising at all with the logic, but yes, believe me dear friends, there are some of the things which are beyond mere logics. You are able to do infinity logic, but it will not help you in conquering the world, in conquering the COVID-19. The mantra, holy word chanting, listening, holy word, whether you can chant it or you can listen it in the preferably original language. This is our concept, that kindly do the holy word chanting. It may be of the Holy Quran is may be there, it may be the chants of the Gita in the Sanskrit, it may be the Quran Sharif of the Arabic. Preferably original language is to be used, although this is not the boundary. We can refer the Hindu sacred text in the Sanskrit, the Quran Sharif in the original Arabic language, Guru Granth Sahib in the Sikh Gurumukhi language, Jewish Torah in the Hebrew language, New Testament in the Greek language. If we are listening in the original language, the effect will be multifold. The energy is the beyond language, hence understanding is very good, yet not compulsory. Believe me, the vibration are working on the energy. These holy things are working on all the human beings, all the animal beings also. Understanding is very good, you can digest the thing, but it is not the compulsory. If you have the perfect emotional background, if you are not mere thinking, or you do not have of the only logical brain, then this technique, especially this technique of the bhakti, will helpful for you. You can feel the sacred places or the sacred word. The bhakti and the devotion just before the bedtime. This is a very beautiful concept. We are very busy in our life. Then how it is possible that we should do the work for the 10 hours, 12 hours? We have to take care of our home also. Then how to get the time? Time is also illusion. We will talk afterwards in our concept series. But how to get the multifold effect with the techniques? This is one of the very beautiful technique. Bhakti or the devotion or the holy word chanting just before the bedtime. Complete sleep time will be helpful in the spiritual journey, in the religious journey, and it will be very much usable. I am feeling unable to describe the bhakti or the devotion in totality. It is a very vast subject, and sorry, the drop is talking about the ocean. And one more beautiful concept is, if ego is there, God is not there. If God is there, ego is not there. Today dark age is there, that is called as a Kali Yuga, and all the persons are full of the ego. And if we have more ego, less devotion or the less surrender will be there, and it is not helpful for us to get the more energy and to go further in the spiritual journey or the religious journey. That's why we should be less egoistic. There are more wealthier person in the world. There are more powerful person in this world. Believe me, the less will be the ego, more will be the simple of your life. Okay? And another concept, the unconscious brain is lesser. Unconscious brain is lesser than the logical conscious brain, and this is lesser than the superconscious brain. And we are discussing about the superconscious brain and the superconscious emotions in this episode and these techniques. and the bhakti or the devotion is related with the emotional dimension and related with the superconscious brain, hence king of all, which I have committed to you. And there is a very much illusion that what is good for us, what is bad for us. And I am saying that go for the authentic or go for the truth. We are doing one of the experiment of the truth. And I am feeling very sorry that I have the maximum knowledge of the Hindu religion and of the India only. Yet my work, my episodes and my techniques are working for all of the religions. I am just telling you what is written in your ancient world, ancient civilizations, which are more than 5,000 or the 10,000 year old, and it will be helpful once again to fight with the corona. And how to judge that whether this is a authentic sacred chant, authentic or the true holy chants. There is one of the technique that kindly feel the vibrations or the bliss or the peace from any religious mantra, any sacred chant. It will be the litmus test for the authenticity. It means if I am doing a sacred chant like the any mantra chanting I am doing, it may be anything. It may be the Holy Quran, it may be Torah, it may be the Sanskrit Gita, it may be anything. If by doing it and by devotive mindset, if I am feeling the vibration, my work has been done. Yes, dear friends, it is authentic. If I am feeling the bliss is greater than mere pleasure. If I am feeling very good factor, I have the feel good factor, I am feeling the peace. But I do not know that what is the region of the bliss or what is the meaning of the peace, but I am feeling very much peaceful, very much blissful. It means these mantra or these holy sacred chants are very authentic. This is the litmus test or the acidic test, litmus test of these sacredness. And some of the examples, as I have told that I am from the Hindu religion, although I love all the world religions which have made by the God. Some of the examples are like the Om chanting, this is the cosmic mantra, or the universal chanting of the mantra. You may refer the Srimad Bhagavad Gita in the Sanskrit. All the Buddhist country of the world can refer the Om Mani Padme Hum, and I believe that Buddhist religion is one of the pioneer religion in this world, which is very effective mantra science with them. And Om Mani Padme Hum is the highest Buddhist mantra. We can feel the energy and can concentrate of it on our breathing circuit to fight with the corona. And some of the Guru some of the Guru from the India are there who are telling their techniques to complete world, like Art of Living Family of the India, Shri Ravi Shankar Ji Gurudev is telling you about the Sudarshan Kriya. We can feel the same kind of the vibration, same kind of the chi energy, same kind of the body electricity by following the Sudarshan Kriya also. And the science is very much infinity. Mankind and the human race on the earth is since the millions and the billions of the years. That's why we have the complete science. It may be with the Mayan civilization, Egyptian have the mantras or the holy chants, Sumerian have their own holy chants and the sacred textbooks. That's why I am telling about the concept and how to utilize it. It will totally depend on your own civilization, your own nation, your own religion. I am telling about the basic concept, and you have to use it for your own benefit by following your own religion in the perfect manner. Okay, dear friends? And one thing will be there that some of the persons will tell that I am talking about the alternate medicine technique or alternate methods by which we can heal with the corona or the COVID-19. Then what about the allopathy? That is the king, that is a very good technique to heal with the corona. Many of the research labs, many of the nations, many of the government labs are doing their extensive research to fight with the corona. Then what about that? Dear friends, I am telling my concepts are very simple and very simple and concept are with me. Do you have any proven vaccination at this time? No. Do you have any kind of the medicine at this time? No. All the methods are just the hit and trial, you know. The corona is, if we are able to find the medicine, if we are able to find the vaccine also, then it will be reach to the last corona patient. It may be take near about 6 or 7 months, or it may be more than that. And I am more concerned about the poor people also. I am more concerned about the religious people also, who have the faith in the chi energy, who have the faith in the body electricity, who have some kind of the faith in the alternate medicine techniques also. And this is the one of the application is there. There are the millions of the application we will tell you in the future. And kindly do faith on the allopathy also and the technique described in the previous episodes. Our ultimate goal is to conquer the COVID-19 by hook or by crook or as soon as possible. Whether you are referring to the allopathy, that's very good. By this technique also you will able to cure yourself. And who knows in which form the God will help us. No ego should be there in the path of the bhakti and the devotion. We will see a very, very small Bible story about the flood and the ego of the devotees. It will be helpful to understand that God can help us by any of the method, any of the mean. Let us see a small video about it. A small video that how God can help us. He can help us from any of the hand. He may see us from any of the eyes. That's why we have to do faith on Him, His techniques, His methodologies. And this is the summary. I will not bore you. You can refer these in the previous episodes. All the green techniques are related with the karma. Karma means you can do on it. You have to do it religiously. The red techniques are related with the feeling. The emotional brain will be there. The more emotional person is there, he can more able to feel it. That's why the technique number 5 will be very much helpful for them. And we have discussed about the king of all techniques, that the bhakti or the devotion. Effect will be very, very, very same in all the techniques. It may be of the karma, it may be of the jnana, it may be of the bhakti. And the bhakti is the most powerful, believe me, most powerful technique among all. If you have the faith on your God, if you have the faith on the Allah, then certainly you are able to conquer the COVID. But believe me, if you are following any kind of the deities, then you should not unfollow the good techniques. Like if you are believing in the God or deity, but if you are not following the social distancing, if you are not following how to wash the hand, this means you are disobeying your religion. This means you are disobeying the complete humanity, and that is not acceptable to the God. That is not acceptable to this cosmos or the universe. That's why you have to maintain the social distancing. You have to wash your hand. You have to be faithful for the allopathy to get as soon as possible COVID-19 cure. But these energy techniques will be certainly helpful, and nonetheless will be lesser than the allopathy at all. You are easily able to generate the energy. You are easily able to use it in your breathing circuit, and you are easily able to conquer the corona. The more will be your devoted time on the getting the energy, more will be the vibration, more will be the energy, more will be the chi energy, more will be the body electricity, and more will be your chances to conquer the corona, because the corona is just a negative black energy. And what the techniques we are talking about, this is the white, pure and the heavenly energy. And by this technique you can get it, you can generate your own energy and utilize it for your own benefit to healing. Techniques are very simple, looks very simple, yet very very powerful in the result. If you are doing it, if you are feeling it, and if you are devoting with your God, with your deity. And dear friend, once again I am saying that the knowing is very good, but doing is always better. You know the thousand of the things, you know many things, infinite things, lakhs of the things, but until unless you are following it, no use of it will be there. Like the Jesus Christ had once said, it will be better that if you follow. If you are not following it, it hardly matters you know it or not know it. Like if I know about the gym technique, to how to do the gym or how to do the exercises, but I am not doing it, then whether my body will be benefited? 101% no. That's why if you are knowing about the technique but do not following it, then certainly it will be not useful for you. And the one last corona episode will be there for the world, and after that we will start most probably the concept series. And the Armageddon against the corona or the COVID-19 will be won by the humanity. This time the Titanic will not sink, 101%, it is our guarantee. And the Noah's Ark will once again touch the land, and at last we will be in the peace, we will be beyond corona, if you are following it, dear friends. And if there are any kind of the questions, doubts, feedback, suggestions, critics are there, that can be sent at the davi.praful@gmail.com. In this channel 0 to Infinity, we will cover almost all the dimensions of the world which are touching the life of the humanity. You may be the Homer Simpson from the South Pole, or you may be the Aladdin from the Oriental world, you may be the Dr. Minnie Mouse from the North Pole, or you may be the Dr. Jasmine from the Occidental world. I am always available for all of you dear friends. And once again I thank you, dear friends. I thank you for watching this channel. Happy times and good day, dear friends. I, Praful Dabi, bow to you.